The Apply All Slicer and Clear All Slicer option update is helpful to boost report performance. To use this, you can go to the button option and from there you can add both the button. Let's suppose you have added the Clear All Slicer button and in your report you are using many slicers, and once you made the selection in your slicer, it will affect the report. Now let's suppose you want to remove all slicers applied in your report. Then what you have to do is you simply have to click on the Clear All Slicer button and it will remove all the selection in all of your slicers. In the similar manner, you can add the button for Apply All Slicer. So actually what it do is it will let you choose and select values in your different slicer and apply those slicer only when you click on the button. So this approach minimizes loading time and also enhances the overall user experience by reducing the need for repeated data processing. So you can simply first select the value in your slices and you can see it said not yet applied, and when you click on the apply all slicer button